Hello student, today I give you the answer of lesson number 1, the lost child. So here the first question is, what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? So the answer is, on his way to the fair, the child sees toys in the toy shops, dragonflies, bees and butterflies, groups of insects and worms teeming near their holes, shower of young flowers falling and the doves cooing. Question number 2. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? The answer is, in the fair, he wants barfi, sweet, balloons and garlands of gulmohar flowers. He knew his parents would not buy him those things, so he moved on without waiting for the answer. Third, when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? The answer is, there was a roundabout in full swing in the fair. Men, women and children were enjoying a ride on it. They were laughing and shrieking. The child was fascinated. He had a strong desire to have a ride. He made a bold request, I want to go on the roundabout. But there was no reply. He turned to look at his parents, but they were not there. Then he realized that he was lost. He panicked. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he started running this way and that way, not knowing where to go. He wailed, Father, Mother. Tears rolled from his eyes. His turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. Question 4. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? So the answer is, the child had been separated from his parents. He wanted them first and foremost. Without parents, a child feels insecure and lost. He loves them more than anything else in the world. His first interest is the love of his parents. Nothing can amuse him in the absence of his parents. That is why he lost interest in the things he wanted to have so earnestly before. Question 5. What do you think happened in the end? Does the child find his parents? So I think the child must have been restored to his parents. The kind man must have made efforts to find out whose child he was. The worried parents of the child must have also been looking for him. They were not the only people from their village. So in a village, everyone knows everyone. So anyone from their village could have met the child, recognized him and taken him back to the village. Or there must have been some places in the fair where lost child were taken. Such arrangements are mostly done where people come in large numbers. So students, that is the answer of these questions. So I have given you some more extra questions of lesson number 1. So I give you the 5 extra questions of lesson number 1. First one is, in the fair, child wanted many things. What are they? Why would the parents refuse to buy balloons for him? Him means the boy. Third, how did the child enjoy in the lap of nature? Fourth, how did the kind man save the child and tried to humor him? And fifth, how did the child react when there was no sign of his parents? So students, your homework is to find all the answers with the help of your book and your reading. So you have to write it in your fair copy with the textbook questions. Thank you.